Get ready to sip your way to clear skin with these top anti-inflammatory drinks that will help banish acne and give you a glowing complexion. In this video, we'll be discussing anti-inflammatory drinks that can help clear acne. Acne is a common skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide. And while there are many treatments available, we believe in the power of natural remedies. So let's dive in. Number 1. Minty Spearmint Tea. Sip on 1 to 2 cups of organic spearmint tea daily to see a reduction of acne breakouts by 25 to 50%. Many dermatologists recommend this potent tea, which can keep stubborn zits at bay. It can also kill acne-causing bacteria and yeast, and has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe active acne. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Citrusy Green Tea and Lemon. Combine green tea leaves and lemon juice in hot water for a potent blend to address acne. The vitamin C in lemons clarifies the skin, while green tea's catechins, potent antioxidants, boost your immunity, skin health, and overall well-being. A recent study also showed that polyphenols can help reduce sebum production, making your skin a hostile environment for acne-causing bacteria. For a stronger shot of antioxidants, try matcha, which has epigallocatechin gallate to counteract sebum creation that occurs before pimples form. Number 3. Bitter Neem and Honey Tea. Bitter neem tea may not be the most palatable drink, but it's an antidote to pimples, boils, and blemishes. Neem is a natural antibacterial and widely used in Ayurvedic concoctions to help remove toxins and purify blood. Infuse neem leaves in water and add honey to combat bitterness. Number 4. Amla and Ginger Shots. Amla is rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ingredient that boosts the immune system and gives you the strength to fight off acne-causing bacteria. It's also responsible for the production of collagen, making your skin glow. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory compounds, including antioxidants that protect your body from damage by unstable molecules called free radicals. Studies show that gingerols and sesquiterpenes are the key. Number 5. Lemongrass and Turmeric Tea. Ward off acne, pimples, and rashes with the antifungal and antibacterial pairing of lemongrass and turmeric. Brew them fresh with a cap of evening primrose oil and lavender sticks for the perfect tea blend for PCOS-related acne. Turmeric contains curcumin, which possesses antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. You can also add turmeric to soups, stews, or drink a cup of lukewarm turmeric milk. Number 6. Lemon water and honey. Looking to improve your skin health? Lemon water might just do the trick. This refreshing detox drink is packed with vitamin C, which can aid in skin rejuvenation and prevent skin disease by warding off harmful bacteria and fungi. But why stop at lemon water when you can add honey to the mix? Honey is a natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agent that can help unclog pores and prevent acne breakouts caused by excess oil buildup. When combined with lemon water, it creates a potent cocktail of skin-loving nutrients that can help you achieve that glowing, blemish-free complexion you've always wanted. So why not start your day off right with a glass of lemon water and honey and give your skin the love and attention it deserves? Number 7. Kale Green Juice. For a simple and effective way to boost your skin's health, consider incorporating kale green juice into your diet. Packed with vitamin A and C, kale juice can promote normal cell turnover, improve complexion, and provide healing properties to the skin. In addition to its skin-loving benefits, kale juice is also a great source of essential vitamins and micronutrients that can promote overall health and wellness. Regular consumption of this fresh vegetable juice can help prevent common skin issues such as acne and dryness. So why not treat yourself to a refreshing glass of kale green juice and give your skin the nourishment it deserves? Your body will thank you for it. Number 8. Carrot and Beetroot Juice. For a fresh and healthy juice that can help you achieve great skin and overall wellness, look no further than carrot and beetroot juice. Packed with a wide range of essential nutrients, this delicious drink can give your metabolism a boost and help flush out toxins from your body, leading to better liver function and a more radiant complexion. In addition to improving liver function, carrot and beet juice is also great for hydrating the skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, with its high antioxidant content, this beverage can help fight acne and other skin blemishes. To make this juice, simply blend 1 peeled beetroot and 2 carrots with some water. For an extra kick, try adding a bit of ginger. Enjoy a glass of this nutritious juice every morning to start your day off right. Number 9. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate is a nutrient-packed fruit that contains high levels of vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin C, all of which play a crucial role in promoting healthy skin. One of the key benefits of pomegranate juice is its ability to improve cell turnover rate and reduce hyperpigmentation, resulting in brighter and more even-toned skin. Additionally, pomegranate is known for its anti-aging effects, which can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. If the taste of pomegranate juice is too bitter for your liking, consider mixing it with some orange juice for a delicious and nutritious blend that offers the same benefits. Enjoy a glass of pomegranate juice or a pomegranate orange juice blend as part of your daily routine to help promote healthy, radiant skin. Number 10. Turmeric milk. Turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce redness and irritation in the skin. To make turmeric milk, start by boiling milk and allowing it to cool down. Then grate some fresh turmeric root or use turmeric powder and mix it with the milk. Adding some ginger can boost the antibacterial properties even further, while a touch of honey can provide a natural sweetener. For even greater absorption by the body, try adding half a teaspoon of black pepper to the mix. Not only will this enhance the flavor of the drink, but it will also help the body absorb the beneficial properties of turmeric more efficiently. Drinking turmeric milk regularly can help hydrate your skin and fight off harmful bacteria, leaving you with healthier, clearer skin. Give it a try and enjoy the many benefits of this natural remedy. Number 11. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that's been used for medicinal purposes for centuries, dating back to ancient Egyptian times. The gel inside the aloe vera plant contains over 75 active compounds, including vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids, all of which make it a powerful natural remedy for many health issues, including acne. One of the key benefits of aloe vera juice is its anti-inflammatory properties. Acne is a result of inflammation in the skin, and aloe vera can help reduce this inflammation, which in turn can help to reduce acne breakouts. Aloe vera also contains antioxidants that help to fight off free radicals, which can contribute to aging and damage to the skin. Aloe vera juice can be consumed in a number of ways. You can purchase pre-made aloe vera juice at health food stores, or you can make your own juice by blending fresh aloe vera gel with water or other juices, such as orange or pineapple juice, for added flavor. It's important to note that aloe vera juice can have a laxative effect, so it's important to start with a small amount and work your way up gradually to see how your body reacts. When consuming aloe vera juice for acne, it's recommended to drink it on a regular basis for best results. It can take several weeks or even months to see noticeable improvements in your skin, so be patient and consistent with your consumption. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.